Alright, it's about to start raining, so I gotta hurry up here, but I want to show people one thing. You don't have to go to a gym to actually work out, you just have to do the shit that you do all the time in a workout manner. So I'm unloading all my wood for my deck, and it's raining, so I have to hurry up. Look at one area that I have to do. It's mad hard. Get the wood. Stack the wood. Then you step nice and straight. Pick up and up. Put the wood down. Drop down. Put it up. Drop small wood. Oh, that's going heavy. One at a time. Alright, so all you have to do is learn how to walk and move. And then step and up. Your life is the gym. Everything that you do with purpose, and then you don't have to spend hours in one spot. You can just live your life and have fun. That's my lesson while it's raining on me. Peace out.